Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to add family members to a Spotify Premium family. So, in order to do this, first of all, open Spotify on your mobile phone. Now, click on your profile icon at the top left of the screen. That will show up these options, from which click on Settings and Privacy. Now, it is going to take you to this page where you'll have to click on the option that says About. Now, click on the Support option. Now, it will take you up to support.spotify.com's webpage where you'll have to simply scroll down and choose Premium Plans. Now, choose Premium Family. Now, click on Invite or Remove Family Plan Members. Now, it is going to take you to another page. Now, as you can see, the plan manager can add or remove members on their family page. You'll have to simply go to your account page by clicking on the link that you will see just right here on this page. This is a link that is in green color. Click on this link and it will take you to a page where under subscription, you can choose Manage Members. Now, you'll have to simply select the option to either invite or remove members. Note that to add members to your plan, you need to send an invite. And if the manager and member are using the same device, make sure the plan manager logs out before anyone opens an invite link. The member needs to be logged into their own account to accept that request. Also, the invited member will get a link to join where they will need to log in or sign up for their own Spotify account and confirm their full address. You'll have to also note that plan members can only switch plans once every 12 months. So, simply go to your account page and under subscription, click on invite and invite the members by adding their email, after which they can accept and get into your plan. So that is a simple way through which you can add members to a Spotify Premium family. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.